Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video for simpler trading options. Now, you're probably wondering why, if this is an options video, why am I showing a monthly chart of the yen futures? Well, when the yen goes down, in this case fires short, the stock market goes up. If you guys remember, in July 2012, that's when the stock market started a huge multi-year run. So now we've got another squeeze here that fired short, but then the momentum shifted, which frankly is just weird. But this is a very, very negative price pattern, and it almost looks like it's being supported. But ultimately, with Japan aggressively continuing to pursue QE, I can't imagine that this is not going to break down. And of course, that's bullish for stocks. So from there, if we look at the 30-year bonds on a monthly basis, you can see that the bonds have broken out. What does this mean? This means that the smart money is betting on economic recession. Believe it or not, I don't, and there's a lot of talk about a strong economy these days. If you look in 2006 bonds were flat, but in 2007, before the economy and the stock market faltered, bonds started to rally. Okay, and then of course when 2008 happened, you had the big flight to recovery. So this is great for interest rates, and it's great for the housing market. We've seen housing stocks rebound here, but just keep in mind that is showing headwinds coming up in the economy. You can see here it doesn't look too impressive on a monthly chart, but let's switch over to a daily chart. So what am I doing here? I like stocks that are kind of doing their own thing. So for example, for me, Netflix right here, this is a good squeeze, but it's kind of a heavy stock with a lot of baggage, where something like Now looks pretty solid. I like that. So those are the kind of things that I'm looking at. I also like some of the stocks that have higher short interest, like Wing. They just kind of keep on keeping on and not really caring about what the rest of the market is doing. There's some interesting ones like TTD that have been high flyers that had a good reversal today with an RAF buy. So that is also something to keep in mind. All right, so shouldn't be a dull week. All right, I do want to point out that online access has officially been opened for our live spring mentorship happening in Austin, Texas. If you don't know about this, it's a lot of fun. Basically, this is where we all get together in a live setting. We do this once or twice a year, and you get to meet other traders, and actually we get to spend a lot of quality time, kind of one-on-one, just kind of going through. And you can go in here and just kind of listen and see what other people have said about this and what they've learned. And there are a couple spots left to attend live, so if you'd like to do that, you can click here. If this button is still there, you can click it. If not, you'll have to call. However, you can live stream it for just $9.97. We're going to have Lance Armstrong there doing a keynote talk, kind of a Q&A session. And this is going to be kind of fantastic because as a trader, you've got to be able to go through tough situations and handle it. So I'm going to ask him a lot of tough questions, and that's going to be a lot of fun. Of course, our group of traders will be there. Also, we're going to have a couple of special guests. Mark Chaikin, he'll be talking about his software that he's been working on, his lifelong work. Barney, he is somebody that you've never heard about because he's been a floor trader and he's been trading his own account for the last 40 years. And he's just got a lot of great experience, and he's just going to come and share what he's doing. So again, you can attend this live. If you'd like, there are a couple spots left, but I wanted to let you know that the live stream portion is open, and you can sign up for that and watch it from the comfort of your own home. So I'll get the link here. If you just go to simplertrading.com/mentorship, that'll get you hooked up, and there's probably a link here in the email or something like that. All right, you guys have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you at the next update.